Hey y'all, it's Mariah from the Petite Planner, and today I want to show you some super easy summer doodles. Today I'm using my favorite Pigma Micron pen, and I used a mechanical pencil and my eraser to sketch, and then I am using Crayola broadline markers, and I will link all of these supplies in the description below. Today I'm going to show you how to draw 4 different doodles step by step. So first, for the watermelon, we do a half circle and a line across. So your half circle, line across, and then another half circle to make a rind. And then after you've got your rind, you will add your seeds. Super easy. You can make them any design that you want. And then if you pre-sketch like I do, erase before you add color. I'm just using my Crayola broadlines here. Super cheap color option, great for doodling. You can check out the link to my affiliate in the description below. Okay, so for pineapple, you start with an oval shape, and then on that oval, you're gonna draw kind of like spiky hair. It's really what it kind of looks like to me. And then after you have an oval with a little spiky hair, you're going to add some lines to be the texture before you add your color. Oh, and if you pre-sketch like I did, be sure to erase those pencil lines, then add your color. Don't be afraid to sketch, y'all. It's easy. So here there's, the Crayola broadlines offer a ton of different shades, so you could use a different green or I guess brownish if you wanted. But this is how easy it is to doodle a little pineapple. And next is a sandcastle. So I'm going to draw a straight line and then go across, down, across, down, across, down, across, down, across, down, down. That was really weird. But really, you just kind of make these little up and downs to make the top of the sandcastle for this simple version. And then a squiggly line for the beach and a little doorway. And you can make these skinny castles or wider, depending on how big you make that. And then I like to add this cute little flag at the top of my sandcastle. And again, erase any pencil marks and add color. The broadline set has a nice yellow, but you can probably also find a good sandy color. I know the Super Tips markers have some sandy colors if you want it more brownish sand color. Then I add a few little dots in black for some texture, and pick your favorite color for your little flag. I love pink, but this purple is kind of summery. The beach ball is another super easy. Start with kind of a circle shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then off to the side, you do another little circle. And off of that circle, you're going to draw some lines that curve slightly to make the different sections of the ball. And then I like to add little movement, little motion lines to make it look like maybe it's being thrown. And then you can color this beach ball with your favorite colors, any kind of colors that you want to personalize it. And it's really that easy to do the beach ball, y'all. It's circles and some lines. I hope you all enjoyed these easy summer doodles and that you're having a good summer. And let me know what you'd like to see me doodle next. Just drop a comment and click like on this video if you will. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. And thank you all for all of your support. Have a great summer, you guys.